So in this video, I'm going to do a Shein, however you pronounce it, haul. Yes, I ordered a bonnet, don't worry about it. But I got all of this stuff for about $47 using a coupon. So I got these white stickers. It's a pack of 4 and it's moons, butterflies, hearts. I believe there's a unicorn in there somewhere. But I really like this design. When I see it, it's free-handed, but I can't do that. So if there's a sticker version, I'm going to buy the sticker version, but I can't wait to use these. So I've really been wanting to do a Shein. Okay, I'm going to say Shein for this video because apparently they tweeted it's actually Shein. So that's what I'm going for in this video. But I've noticed their nail stuff is really cheap and they tend to raise their prices. So I thought, let me get them whilst they're at a decent price. So the next thing I got was these gold leaf foil stickers. There's some trees on there too. I thought they were really cute. The next thing I got are these 6-pack of butterfly stickers. One thing about buying stickers on Shein is look in the reviews to make sure it's not a decal because they label decals as stickers, but if you look in the reviews, people often show their pictures, and sometimes where it has been labeled stickers but is a decal, somebody will say something about it so you will know. But I really do like these because there's so many different colors of butterflies and that's just so many ideas of nails to do. I also like the price of these. It's 6 sheets for $3, and I've noticed AliExpress will have 1 sheet for the same price. Is it just me or are they raising their prices? So anyways, the next thing I got was these butterfly stickers. I really like the laser holographic effect. It reminds me of stained glass windows, so I can't wait to use these. Next, I got these anime type of eye stickers. I mostly got them because of how it looked on the model's hand, but I know on the model's hand it's the press-ons that they sell, so I'm going to try do a little freestyle set with these. By the way, my stickers are bent because my mail lady did me wrong. She shoved this big package in the mailbox and these stickers suffered, and I really like these ones, but I think I'm going to iron the crease out. The next thing I got were these dragon stickers. Not gonna lie, only 3 of these sheets look good. The rest kind of remind me of kids tattoos, you know, the ones that they wear and then they put on their arm. It was just not dragons at some point. I think the next one here, after this sheet, which is my favorite sheet, it becomes snakes and then it's skulls. I don't know what's going on, but I'll only be using the first 3 sheets. Actually no, that last sheet I can do a Halloween set with it, so I won't be wasting that one. The next thing I got were these I think this is the most bought nail accessory on Shein. It's little jars of glitters, from loose glitters to thicker glitters, and then hearts, and I'll show a little bit of what it is. This one is bigger chunks of glitter, and I've noticed they have the same color but smaller. So what you can do with this kit, I think, is make your own glitters, which is pretty cool. But I don't think I'll be using these as much because I don't really like them when they're in mixed glitters. I wasn't a fan of this one, that's why I'm showing it. It's literally just plastic pieces. I don't know how I can incorporate that into a nail design, but I really like these little glitters, they're so nice. Next I got these Aurora Foils. I don't even know why I bought this because I made a video on this maybe 3-4 videos ago. Actually it's more than that, but I'd bought some from Amazon, so I didn't actually need to buy this. But if you do want Aurora Foils, I would go for this one because it's literally the same thing but just cheaper, and with these you don't even need so much anyway because a little goes a long way. Next I got these gold little charms. I'm actually excited to use this because I bought a nail tool, which I got today. It actually molds the charm to the shape of your nail, which makes it easier for encapsulation, so it's not sticking out. But I have a really nice idea with these charms that I want to do, and I can't wait to do it. And I feel like I keep saying, can't wait to use this, can't wait to use this, and I'm probably never going to use it. But for this one, I have a design in mind that I will do. Next I got was some of these foils. This is actually something I don't have. I literally have 2 foil flakes left from years ago. So I was like, cool, I'm gonna definitely get some of these. One thing I hate about this is the picking apart of the foils. I hate doing that, but I've seen some people are using electric grinders to chop them up, and it's a great idea. The next thing I got, which I was glad I got this, but let me know if I'm colorblind, because what I got is red and in the picture it's orange. Or is it just me? I mean, it is really nice, so I'm going to find a way to incorporate it into a nail design, but I wanted orange, but I did order off AliExpress the orange one. Next, I got these nail files, which were open. Is it the mail lady? I don't know why they're open, but they look like they've been open for a minute. So I looked and inspected and they weren't used. But yeah, you can never go wrong with nail files. I also got these brushes. I really like the design of them more than the fact that I needed a brush, so I got them. They are really fine though. I need to test them out and just see how well I can work with a really fine brush, because the brushes I work with now are a lot thicker than these. This is probably my favorite purchase. I don't know if I've already said that, but if I have, this is actually my favorite purchase. So I thought I was getting a steal on Shein, like $7 for 240 pieces of square nail tips. Come to find out, it's the same price on Amazon, same price on eBay. So I didn't actually, I didn't get a steal because it's the same everywhere else. But I love the length, I really love the shape, and they're really sturdy. So this I actually can't wait to use. So this one is another favorite of mine because this one I can actually say was a steal. It was $3 for all of that, and if you go to the Dollar Tree, it's like $1 each for those things. I mean, probably not that nail brush, but I just had to get it. I mean, I'm sure it's probably gonna snap in half at some point, probably after the first use, but I'm still gonna try and make it work. But anyways, it comes with a regular nail file, one of those sandpaper files, a nail brush, this like what do we even call this? It's like a maybe like a callus. Shoot, I don't know. I just got a bad image in my head of how much this would hurt. I don't think I'm going to use this. But whatever it is, comes with 2 replacement blades, one of those metal shaving files, one of these things to kind of clean up around the cuticle area, like where the dead skin is, and then whatever this tool is. If anyone knows what this is, please let me know. And then another one of those metal shaving files. This one is actually double-sided. It's got the sandpaper file on the other side, and then this little circle thing, have no idea what it is. Next, I bought a whole bunch of rings. I really didn't have to buy this much. I could have literally spent the money I used for this on other nail accessories, but this one I had to get, so I got it. I'm gonna try it on every single pack that I got so you can see on my hand. I really like them, and I'm glad I got them, and I'm probably gonna buy some more. But I really do like the designs. For how cheap these rings were, I know they're gonna turn brown with the quickness, so I'm gonna probably put some top coat over them because I really do like the designs and I want to preserve them. Also, I'll add that these rings are like a one size fits all, but it doesn't. Like, my fingers range from like a 7 3/4 all the way down to like a 4. So that's just reference for if you want to buy it. But that is it for this Shein haul. Let me know if you want me to do another one, because I will do it. I have an AliExpress one coming out, so stay tuned for that. If you like this, like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.